The Easter Bunny was here.
Whoa, you see backpack? Where's the backpack?
Is that backpack? Did the Easter Bunny get you out for Easter?
Oh my goodness.
Let's see.
What's in the backpack? See? What is that? That's the map. Map. Oh, it's the map. It's the map.
Yeah.
Oh.
Cordelia, did Easter Bunny put something in the backpack?
Let's go
Look,
see.
look.
Let's go look at the backpack inside. Let's look at the backpack inside. Whoa! What are the eggies?
What happened to the eggs?
No eggies.
Easter Bunny hid them. I think the Easter Bunny hid the eggs. They hid the eggs in the house.
Let's go find Eggie, okay?
You want to go find the eggs? Come on, this way. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Come on, take your Easter basket.
Let's take this basket. Let's put this down first. And then let's go find Eggie.
Let's go find the eggs.
Let's go find Eggie. Let's go. And you have to give me a picture. There we go.
I didn't hide them in the toys. It'd be too hard. There's one on either side of the step. And there's one back by the love seat. Yeah. See? There it is. Gotta put your eggs back in the basket, sweetheart. That's one. We gotta find the others. The Easter Bunny hid them. No, they're not there.
Let me help you. I can help. Where you go? Let's go, Violet. Let's go. There's 4.
Yeah. There's an egg. On the other side, too.
Let's see over here. Let's see if it's over here. Let's see if it's on this side.
What's that over there?
Let's look.
Do you see?
You see another egg? Look, Spider-Man. Yay. 3 eggies.
Yeah, the other one's in her kitchen.
Let's go. You want Mommy to hold it because it's heavy?
Cordelia, where's the egg?
Is it there?
Oh, there's a piece of grass on her foot.
I see another one. You found them all. Good job. Easter Bunny hit the eggies, right? Good girl. Let's go see the Dora book now. Whoa. Dora Goose. Do you like it? Swiper.
Yeah.
Here, bring your... Yes, that's Diego.
Look,
Yes.
Dora.
Right.
Dora.
Right. Who's next?
Oh, it's awesome.
That's a little old troll, right? He's a little old troll.
Oh, Dora.
Yeah, that's Swiper.
Do you tickle Dora?
And who's that? Yeah. No. Who's that? You have to see. Who's that? Oh, that's the Easter Bunny. Remember seeing him in the mall? That's that Swiper.
No swiping.
You want to try on the backpack, see if it works?
Want to put the backpack on?
Let me try.
I tightened them up for him. Let's try.
Let's put it on. Try it.
No.
You want to put it on?
No, let's put it around.
That's the nut. And the nut. And the nut. Yeah. Zora. Ooh.
Could
Let's
you,
try it.
can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Thank you.
Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Very good.